Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google AI Studio API errors in 2026. If your API requests are failing or returning error messages, this guide will walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, open Google AI Studio and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Then navigate to the API Keys section and confirm that you're using a valid and active API key. Next, double-check that your API key has been copied correctly. Even a small typing mistake or an extra space can cause authentication errors. Now verify that you're using the correct API endpoint and a supported Gemini model. Using an outdated endpoint or an unavailable model can prevent your requests from working properly. Next, review your code and make sure the request format matches the latest API documentation. Check for missing parameters, incorrect headers, or formatting mistakes in your request. If you're receiving rate limit or quota errors, review your account's usage limits and reduce the number of requests if necessary. Waiting a few minutes before trying again may also resolve temporary limit issues. Now test your API request with a simple prompt to confirm the connection is working before adding more complex features to your application. Finally, if the problem continues, regenerate your API key if needed, check for service outages, and review the latest documentation or contact Google support for additional help. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Google AI Studio API errors step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you